Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to accept friend request in Blockman Go gaming app. It's a very easy process, so let's get started. First of all, find the Blockman Go app on your home screen. Now open it. After opening the app, here you can find something N like this. Now tap on this. Now here you can find the option of friends right here. Now tap on it. Then on your third, here you can find my family friends group chat. Now tap on it. Then the request that you have got from your friends or other persons will appear here, and if they haven't sent any request, then you will see something like this which shows no data. And that's it. This is how you're gonna accept friend requests to your Blockman Go app. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.